Picture this: a steaming bowl of velvety mashed potatoes infused with the subtle sweetness and vibrant color of pumpkin. It's a dish that instantly makes you feel at home, a comfort food that wraps you in warmth from the first bite. Pumpkin mashed potatoes aren't just a side dish, they're the star that can elevate any meal, from a weeknight dinner to a holiday feast. What makes this recipe so special is its perfect balance of flavors. The earthy richness of potatoes blends beautifully with the natural sweetness of pumpkin, while butter, cream, and spices turn it into a luxurious treat. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients like vitamin A, fiber, and potassium, making it a comfort food you can feel good about. For 4 servings, you will need 4 medium russet or Yukon Gold potatoes, about 2 pounds, peeled and cubed. 1 cup pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. Half cup heavy cream or whole milk. 1 teaspoon salt, or to taste. Half teaspoon ground black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, optional, for extra warmth. Fresh parsley for garnish, optional. In a large pot, place the cubed potatoes and cover them with cold water. Add a pinch of salt and bring to a boil. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Drain well and return them to the pot. Add the butter to the hot potatoes and mash until smooth. Stir in the pumpkin puree, cream, salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Continue mashing or whisking until the mixture is creamy and well blended. Taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. Serve hot, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or an extra pat of butter for that irresistible melt. This dish pairs perfectly with roasted meats, grilled vegetables, or even as a topping for shepherd's pie. For an even richer flavor, try roasting fresh pumpkin instead of using canned puree. It adds a slightly caramelized sweetness that takes this dish to the next level. If you're aiming for a lighter version, swap the cream for unsweetened almond milk and the butter for olive oil. Pumpkin mashed potatoes are more than just a fall recipe, they're a celebration of flavor and texture that you can enjoy any time of year. Once you try them, you might just find yourself making them for both weeknight dinners and festive occasions. So, how will you enjoy your pumpkin mashed potatoes paired with a classic roast, or as a cozy standalone bowl of comfort?